FreeTechTV. I thank you guys for tuning back here today for another awesome video. It's been a while, but if you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We got an awesome video for you guys today. We have the Motorola RAZR 5G. Going to unbox this for you. This is the last October, the 2020 version of the Motorola RAZR Smart Series. Quite an update from the 2019 version that they had previously released. So running down the specs, we have 256 gigabytes of internal memory. That is quite expensive. However, they did not give you an extra SD card slot, so no expandable memory there. 8 gigabytes of RAM. Of course, the phone is 5G ready. Has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G and as well as a 2800 milliamp hour battery. A little bit small, but that does support turbocharge. And let me say this phone does charge quite quickly. So without further ado, you guys, let's get into the exciting part and start unwrapping this great phone here. So on the market, this phone is priced at over $1,000. The best deal I could find is certainly T-Mobile doing an introductory offer where you can get this phone up to half off. And here we have it. Love the design of the box. Certainly feels like a very quality box with a plastic top there. Here we have the phone, as well as an interesting way to give you the accessories. We still have our power brick, one of the last phones to include that, our USB Type-C to headphone adapter, and then a USB-C charging cable as well. SIM card tool, directions, and that's all you're going to find in this little RAZR box here. Alright, now the exciting part here, we have it, the Motorola RAZR. The feel of it, it definitely feels like a quality phone. It does already, I can tell this phone is a fingerprint magnet. You're definitely going to want to have a nifty case with this phone. And also what I noticed, the buttons are quite small. The power button is very small, as well as the volume rockers. But opening up this phone, I can already tell that is a powerful, sturdy hinge there. You have a fingerprint sensor on the back there, and on the back of the phone you are going to have a 48 megapixel camera as well as a 20 megapixel selfie camera, so you better be able to get some ultra crispy selfies with that. That will soon to be tested, but let's go ahead and power up the device. And coming back to you, once the device is powered up and ready to go, it does have the latest and greatest Android 11 operating system. We're going to go ahead and go to skip through the setup features and test it out. Alright you guys, so I do have the device powered on and went through the setup features. We're quite smoothly there. What I noticed right away from the display is you certainly do feel the mechanics of the hinge behind the screen. It's a little bumpy there, but nothing that would affect the using experience of this phone. It still feels like a premium solid build to really match that price point of where this phone is at. And overall, just taking a quick look at the camera, the colors are vibrant and it looks like it takes very smooth, very crisp photos there. But again, subscribe. I am going to do some further testing and reviewing of this Motorola RAZR 5G. The phone did connect very quickly and loaded everything. It doesn't have too much bloatware. Other than that, it's pretty much stock Android 11 that you're going to find, and you're still going to get security updates for the next couple of years at least. But overall, I am very happy with how the phone feels and with the quality of the hinge there. Interesting thing I did notice, when you do close the screen actually slides down and fills that gap that you do find on the bottom of the phone there. The phone is splash resistant, but there is no IP rating with this device, so you do want to be careful if you're on any kind of liquids or water there. And the max charging speed of this device is 15 watts. Again, turbocharging with the battery being so small at 2800 milliamp hours. You can expect to charge up very quickly with that 15 watts. But that's it, you guys. This has been a quick look and unboxing of the new Motorola RAZR 5G. Subscribe, new tech videos coming. I appreciate your guys' viewership, and this is FreeTechTV signing off. See you guys in the next video.
See you guys in the next video.